How to add Binance Smart Chain in Trust Wallet. So in this video, I'll show you step by step. So after you open the Trust Wallet app like this now, so go ahead and tap on this receive button. So under the receive button, now tap on this all networks. So from the all networks, go and select BNB. That's Binance Smart Chain, this one. After you select the BNB, now go and search for the coin you want to receive. So for me, let's say I wanted to receive this coin PIN. So after you search for the coin you want to receive under the BNB Smart Chain, here is the coin. Tap on it like this. So here it will give you the address of the coin under the Binance Smart Chain network. Just copy the address and send it to the person that will send you this coin. So after the person has sent you the coin under the Binance Smart Chain, just go back. So if you come to this home, under the home, if you want to see the balance, so if you scroll to down, you'll be able now to see the coin. As you can see now, here is the coin that I just copied. So you can be able to see the balance of the coin that you copy its address, or the balance of the coin that the person has sent you through the address that you sent him. That's it, guys. Please like and subscribe.